Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with another how to make video. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to make like a retro button earring, and we're going to be using these iridescent seed beads. Now, we're going to be using one 8mm iridescent bead. And then the rest of these, we're going to be using some seed beads, okay? And for those of you who want to know where I got these these beads from Walmart. I also got these buttons from Walmart. So here are the items that you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need your buttons, your iridescent seed beads. You're going to need some round nose pliers, wire cutters, and some 20 gauge aluminum wire. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get right on into it. And you can cut your 20 gauge wire about 10 inches, okay? The very first thing that we're going to do as far as these earrings, we're going to put on one button, okay? We're going to put on our button. And we're going to take both pieces and bring them up like this and slide our button on. We're going to bring it all the way down. Now, I'm trying to remember if I did a DIY on something similar. I've never made these earrings, but I think I did something similar with some wooden beads. Okay? The next thing we're going to do is you're going to take two of your seed beads, and you're going to slide your seed beads on, okay? Then we're going to add on another button, but when you put your button on, you want to put it on the right side down. So put it on just like this, okay? Then the next thing you want to do is you want to continue adding on your seed beads. Now, you can use any seed beads that you have. It's completely up to you. Just make sure, now, in order for the earring to come out perfect, excuse me, y'all, you want to make sure that the seed beads you're using, that they are all the exact same size, okay? Because some of the seed beads that you get, the colorful ones that Walmart sell, they're not even. They will be, when you use those, your earring will be uneven. But if you get that pack that has an iridescent look to it, and it comes in, I think, 2 or 3 different sizes, okay? If you get that pack, these are the circle ones. You can use those. You can use any seed beads as long as they are even, okay? So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put all of these on, and then I'm going to get to the next step. Okay, y'all, so I did it all the way down, and this is pretty much what your earring is going to look like. So I'm going to tell y'all, this have a really retro look to it, okay? Now, I'm going to put on my last one, and then I'm going to add on my last 2 final beads, seed beads, one on this side and one on the other side. Y'all will be amazed at the things that you can make and create with buttons. Okay, one over here. And then this is pretty much what you're going to have. Now, to top this off, what I'm going to do is you're going to take these two, you're going to bring them together, and you're going to twist them. Okay? You're going to twist them together, just like that. You're going to take one of these pieces and just start wrapping it around. You want to pinch one piece up. It really doesn't matter which piece you decide to go with. And you just want to start wrapping that piece around, just like this, okay? And I'm going to bring it to the back, and then I'm going to snip this off with my wire cutters, just like that, okay? And this is pretty much what you are going to have. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is just squeeze that in, and I'm going to take one of my big iridescent beads, and I think this is like an 8mm, and you're going to just put that over top, okay? And then I'm going to make a loop. I'm going to pinch it over just a little bit and then make a loop like this and wrap this around. You can go around once or twice, pretty much, okay? You want to make sure that everything is lining up the way it should. Okay, and then I'm just going to snip this off in the back. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing because I'm sitting at my window doing this video. And then the very last thing you're going to do is you're going to take your fish hook and you're just going to slide that on. Okay, and then you're going to have yourself a gorgeous pair of iridescent seed bead button earrings. And these are different, these are unique, and guess what? Nobody will have these, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you all for watching. If this is your very first time here on this platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. And I want to thank all of my super supporters. Until the next one, peace and blessings, my beloved kings and queens. See ya.